Here is an example wireless network deployment plan for an office building. Let's deploy multiple access points for this building. The indoor access points are located on all floors, and the outdoor access point is situated in the parking lot next to the building. Now we have the intended location to deploy our wireless network. Let's see how to manage the network with Ingenious Cloud's visualized map. First, select your management scope. Here you can see the list of access points. Explore the map to locate the precise position of your office building. Click Add under the building icon to create a building where your access point deployment will take place and provide a building name for your reference. Drag the building onto the map. Next, drag the outdoor access point to the parking lot on the map per our deployment requirements. You can get a quick view of a specific access point by clicking its icon. To view more detailed information, just click its name to proceed to the access point page. The outdoor part deployment is completed. Now let's deal with the indoor part. Click the name of this building to go to the management interface of floor plans. Before working with the floor plan, you must select a building that will use it. Click the image icon to upload your floor plan, and then provide a name for it. Here we are going to upload 2 floor plans for each floor of our office building. Select a floor plan and define its scale. Use the line tool to measure the real-world distance of your floor plan and create an appropriate scale representation. Check the AP list on the right. Now we have 3 indoor access points to deploy in this building. Next, drag the access points into the position you wish to deploy them on the floor map. The ruler tool lets you easily measure the distance between any 2 points on the floor plan. Click the heat map to simulate Wi-Fi coverage on your floor plan, factoring in the potential effects of real-world obstacles such as concrete. Switch to the band of 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz to see the difference of Wi-Fi coverage and strength per dedicated band. The channel selection shows all channels in use. Select to see the heat map of different channels in case of interference. The Topology view gives you the big picture of all Ingenious Cloud-managed devices. Every device currently online will appear in Topology view and display its status and relationship to other devices within your network. We can get a quick view of the device by moving the mouse over it. You can collapse or expand the Topology tree as you browse your network inventory. Move to the bar below the switch icon to see the total power budget of Power over Ethernet and the power in use. The search function on top lets you precisely locate the specific device. The orange line shows the ports in use in the switch and that of the access point. Click Details when hovering over a device icon to obtain detailed analytics and real-time status information. Ingenious Cloud. Visualize your networks with AI-driven cloud.